Welcome. Today, we're diving into a fantastic new update on WhatsApp that lets you see your contacts' profile pictures directly from your PC. This feature is super convenient and adds a personal touch to your chats. Let's go through the easy steps you need to follow. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. If you're not logged in yet, simply scan the QR code using your phone to connect the two. Once you're in, you'll see your list of chats just like you do on your mobile device, making it easy to navigate. Next, you need to find the contact whose profile picture you want to check out. You can either scroll through your chats or use the handy search bar at the top. Just type in the name of the person you're looking for, and it will filter the results instantly. This saves you time, especially if you have a long list of contacts. Once you've located the contact, click on their name. This will open up their chat information, displaying details like their status, phone number, and any recent messages. But what we're really here for is the profile picture. Now, look for their photo in this info panel. It should be prominently displayed, and all you need to do is click on it. This action will enlarge the image, allowing you to see it in full detail. It's a simple yet effective way to connect more personally with your contacts, especially if you're in a group chat and want to recognize someone quickly. And that's it. Those are the straightforward steps to view a contact's profile picture on WhatsApp using your PC. This update enhances your chatting experience, making it more engaging and visually appealing. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on WhatsApp and other tech tricks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy connecting with your friends and family on WhatsApp.